Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Diana. Today we are going to learn everything about the preposition en. En has a lot of different translation. It can mean in, it can mean on, it can mean to, and it can mean by. We are going to see all that today, but before that, don't forget that you can get the free PDF for this lesson in my website, theperfectfrench.com. The link for the PDF and all the videos I'm going to talk about today are going to be in the description box. Last thing before we start, en is also usually mistaken with dans in French. So next week we are going to see dans, next Monday. Alright, so today we are going to see 6 different ways that we can use en in French. The first one is to describe the length of time that we take to do something. The second one is before month, season, or year. The third one is en followed by a noun that doesn't need an article. This one is a bit tricky. Then we have en before a mode of transportation, en before a feminine country, province or state, and finally en before a type of material. So the first one we see today is en to describe the length of time of an action. Faire quelque chose en X amount of time. To do something in. For example, je mange en 5 minutes. Je mange en 5 minutes. I eat in 5 minutes. So that's a complete action. From the beginning to the end, it took you 5 minutes, no more. The second one, il a trouvé un appartement, link un appartement, en une semaine. Il a trouvé un appartement en une semaine. He found an apartment in a week. And the third one, elle a appris le français en un an. Elle a appris le français en un an. So that's for the length of time. Now we are going to see en before a month, a season, or a year. Let's start with the month. So we can say en janvier. En janvier, in January. En février. En février, in February. So be careful that in French we don't need to capitalize the first letter of the month. Let's see 2 sentences. Mon anniversaire est en novembre. Mon anniversaire est en novembre. My birthday is in November. Second one, on est en août. There are a lot of links here. On est en août. Août. I'm going to make soon a video how to read in French, just a practice, with a few sentences on the screen. We are going to see what we pronounce, what we don't pronounce, the link, etc., etc. So that should come in a few weeks on a Monday. Now en before a season. So here is a bit particular as well, because it doesn't work with all season, but with 3 of them. Only one doesn't work. So we have en hiver, en hiver, en automne, en automne, en été, en été. It doesn't work with printemps, spring. We say au printemps. It's very easy to remember, it's just that printemps starts with a consonant, while hiver, automne, été start with a voyelle. And here the H acts as a voyelle. But printemps starts with a consonant, so we say au printemps. Le marché de Noël est ouvert en hiver. Le marché de Noël est ouvert en hiver. Second one, nous voyageons toujours en été. Nous voyageons toujours en été. Now when we have en before a year, We can say en 2018, en 2021, for example. In 2018, in 2021. Nous sommes mariés en 2018. Nous sommes mariés en 2018. Second one. La maison sera construite en 2021. La maison sera construite en 2021. Now, when we have en followed by a noun without an article. Let's see two sentences. Vous allez en vacances. Vous allez en vacances. Next one. Elle est en réunion. Elle est en réunion. She's in a meeting. Now, en before a mode of transportation. Je vais au travail en voiture. Je vais au travail en voiture. Nous irons à Seattle en train. Nous irons à Seattle en train. This one is very interesting. En before a feminine country, feminine province, or a feminine state. You know that in French everything is either feminine or masculine. And it's the same for countries, province, and state. I did a video about the states of United States. If they are feminine or masculine, I will put it in the description box if you want to check it out. I still have to do one about countries. It's going to come in probably October. I will not say September, probably October. Let's see 3 sentences. The first one, j'ai grandi en Belgique. J'ai grandi en Belgique. So Belgique is the feminine country. La Belgique. So en Belgique. Il étudie en Californie. Il étudie en Californie. And the third one, nous déménageons en Nouvelle-Écosse. Nous déménageons en Nouvelle-Écosse. We are moving to Nova Scotia. And finally, the last type of en that we are going to see today is en before a type of material, such as mon collier est en or. Mon collier est en or. Le canapé est en cuir. Le canapé est en cuir. The couch is leather. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next Monday's video about dans and all my future lessons as well. Leave me a comment if you have a question about French, about anything. I will do my best to help you. And I will see you soon for another lesson.